Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you several ways to fix a your connection is not private error. Of course, this error can have multiple causes. You may see this error in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, or other web browsers. For our first solution, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter. First, go to the Content tab. Then click on Clear SSL State. After the confirmation message appears, click OK, go back to your browser, and try again. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer, so if the issue is not resolved after any of these methods, try restarting your PC before moving on. Now let's move on to the second solution. Press the Windows key and R again. In the Run box, type regedit and press Enter. The registry editor will open. First, go to HKI local machine, then Software, then Policies. After that, click on the Microsoft folder, then open the Windows folder. Next, click on Current Version, and then click once on Internet Settings. On the right-hand side, you will usually see 2 or 3 entries. If you have an entry called Proxy Settings per User, delete it. Then right-click in the empty area, select New, and then choose Binary Value. Name it exactly as follows: Proxy Settings per User. Be careful with uppercase and lowercase letters. Once the file has been created, open it. In the window that appears, enter only the value 10, then click OK and close the window. That's it for this method. Now go back to your browser, close the page, and try opening it again. If the problem still continues, let's move on to the third solution. Sometimes the issue can be related to your computer's date and time settings. Press the Windows key and R once again. In the Run box, type Control and press Enter. The Control Panel window will open. Click on Clock and Region, then select Date and Time. In the window that opens, go to the Internet Time tab. Then click Change Settings and select Update Now. That's all for this method. Now go back to your browser and try accessing the website again. That's everything I wanted to share with you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you're still experiencing the problem, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.